Today I am ranking cars. So this is the best cars or S, good cars A, good cars with a few bad cars B, C, I don't care or I don't know there about this car brand, D, bad cars but only 2 good models, and the worst cars F. So first, the best cars. For me, Volvo is the top on S. Second is the Saab, and then the Koenigsegg. These are the Swedish cars. I don't know, but you will also so dude, you forgot one Swedish car brand. Okay, I didn't know them. These are the best cars. Now let's start from the list. So Kia goes to I don't care about them. I don't care. Let's go the Ferrari. Good cars with a few bad models. That's Ram. I don't care. That's Ram. Yeah. Renault goes bad cars, but only 2 good models. For me, the only 2 good models are the Renault 5 and the Twingo. Anyway, let's go back. Maserati are the worst cars ever because they struggle with reliability. Mazda goes, I don't care about Mazda. Porsche is a good car brand. Fiat goes from the D because the Fiat Panda. Yeah, I'm talking about these Pandas. And the old 500, I mean the old, very old. Oops. Very old, where is it? This one, yeah. I'm not joking. Highmore, I don't know about Highmore. Rolls-Royce, I don't care about Rolls-Royce. Acura, I like old Acura, but the new ones are Ale is ugly. Wait, let me discreet. Anyway, let's go to the worst cars. I meant to be ugly, but I don't know about this car brand. Hyundai. Oh, yes. I don't know. What the fuck is my phone talking to me? Bruh. Anyway. Hyundai, I don't care about Hyundai. Honda. Good cars. Reliability, Mercedes is also cars. I mean, good cars with a view of... let's go to the good cars. No, to the... Okay, if you say, how about the V50 Volvo? This was a Ford engine. This is a Ford. It goes to the bad cars with only 2 models. TV, I don't know. TVR, I just said TV. That's going to the, I don't know. Citroen goes to God. The new Citroens are shit. and the middle gen, but I like the old Citroens and the C3. I mean C3, my Slovenian accent. Fiso goes bad cars only 2 good models. Lancia goes to the I don't care. I don't know this car brand. Volkswagen is a good car. This goes to the I don't know. Lexus. This is good cars. Infiniti, I don't care. Lotus. Good cars. Chevrolet, I don't care about Chevrolet. This will go to the good car branch. Now it goes to the B, not because of the bad cars, yes, only one. The new Jaguar, and they ruined, their own company. Back, I don't know. Alfa Romeo are the worst cars ever. Not ever, but they are the worst cars because reliability is not great. Mercury, I don't know. GM, I don't care. Jeep are the worst cars because also of the reliability. Because Tesla goes to the worst cars ever because I don't like electric cars. Audi is a good car brand because it's a Volkswagen. BMW B because I don't like the new BMWs and few. I don't know about this car brand. Also, as a side about the BMW. Some BMWs struggle with reliability, and the new ones are ugly. So Shelby goes to the good cars. Canberra, I don't know about this. Bugatti, I don't know about the. But Bugatti would go into the good cars, but it's now. Wait, I meant to Citroen to push. Yeah, somewhere really bad in the B section. Yeah, somewhere like this. Vauxhall. I don't know about Vauxhall. They are just revamped Opels. Toyotas are good cars. Like really. Dodge, I don't care about Dodge. Abarth is just a rebatched Fiat 500, but sporty version. Hammer, I don't care. They are very big cars. Eagle, I also don't care. Let's go to the good cars because the Pagani had a Mercedes engine the first, I think. Yeah. I don't know about this car brand. Mini, I don't care. Nissan, it goes to the B. Opel, also B, but not the worst. Subaru goes to the I don't care tier. Land Rover goes to the only the old Land Rovers are good. Clarinet, I don't know about Clarinet, so I'm going to put this. That Lamborghini is a rebadged Audi, so I'm going to say B. I don't care about Aston Martin. I also don't care about Lincoln. I also don't care about Chrysler. I also don't care about smart. I don't know. I also don't care. Scott, I don't know Scott. Aston Martin, I don't know. Aston Martin. Saturn, I don't know Saturn. Isn't it GM's one product? Nah, I will say I don't care. Oh, Pontiac, I will just go to the B because I know Suzuki is going to the D. Mitsubishi goes to the B. And Suzuki to the D. I think I got some BMW fans mad. Some Tesla, Jeeps, Alfa Romeo, Audi, Maserati fans mad, and Renaults, Fiat. Anyway, have a lovely day. Bye, guys, and bye.